How long does gas last in a car? Imagine you're planning a weekend trip or just heading to school, and you wonder how fresh the gas in your car really is. Knowing how long gasoline stays good can save you from unexpected breakdowns. Gasoline in a car's fuel tank usually remains usable for about 3 to 6 months. After that, it can start to break down and lose its ability to power your engine properly. If your car sits unused for several months, the fuel might not ignite as well, making your car run rough or stall. High-octane or premium fuels tend to last a little longer, up to around 9 months, but regular gasoline usually begins to degrade within half a year. Gas can go bad because of exposure to air, which causes oxidation, or moisture getting into the tank. Chemical changes also happen over time, especially if the fuel isn't stored properly. Ethanol-blended fuels, which are common in many gas stations, tend to break down faster, sometimes within just 1 to 3 months, because ethanol attracts water. This water can cause issues like engine misfires or starting problems. Signs that your gas has gone bad include the engine running roughly, stalling unexpectedly, or the check engine light turning on. You might also notice a sour smell or see that the fuel looks darker than usual. For teenagers who don't drive every day, it's smart to keep an eye on how long your gas has been sitting. If you know your car won't be used for a while, adding a fuel stabilizer can help keep the gasoline fresh. Filling your tank completely before storing the car helps reduce airspace, which slows down the degradation process. When building a roadside emergency kit, including a small container of fresh gasoline or fuel stabilizer can be helpful if you might be stuck for a while. This way, you can add fresh fuel if needed to get your car moving again. Remember, regular use and proper storage can keep your fuel fresh longer. If you plan to leave your car unused for more than a few months, consider adding fuel stabilizer and keeping your tank full. Being aware of how long gasoline lasts helps you avoid getting stranded or damaging your vehicle. Always check your fuel and keep your emergency kit stocked with essentials to handle roadside surprises.